My name is Felix and I'm from Comfort Developers and IT Solution. So in today's introductory class about data marketing, I'll be showing you everything you need to know what this course entails. The first thing you need to know about digital marketing is SEO. What exactly is SEO? In the course of the training, you'll be learning what SEO is all about, what is search engine crawler, what are the points to note, what are the tactics and methods, how does your website domain helps in your search engine optimization, what are the relevant file naming systems when you are creating your website, what is optimized keywords, what is optimized meta tags? What is title optimizations, the optimized anchor, links building, how to use your content in your search engine optimization, the mobile SEO techniques, what is white hat and what is black hat SEO, how do you rank your website on search engine result page, how do you optimize the image on your website. These and many more are what you'll be learning in SEO. Other thing you will be learning in the course of the training is social media marketing. Steps to start your social media marketing. What is social media strategy? What are the strategies you need to adopt? How to optimize your content on social media and many more. Also in content marketing, we'll be talking about the pyramids of content. What are the goals? What are the goals? How to set goals in content marketing and how to start content marketing. Other thing you will be learning in the course of the training includes email marketing, the types of email marketing that we have, how to start email marketing, and many more. Also, you will be learning about SMS messaging. How do you use your bulk SMS to promote your business? What is SEM? These and many more are what you'll be learning in the course of training. And also there are some new mobile marketing channels we will be talking about: the local based service (ABS), the augmented reality mobile campaigns, 2D barcodes, GPS messages, and several ways of driving conversion to your website for your marketing. So also you'll be under pay per click. What is search engine advertising? What are the advantages of PPC marketing? The factors behind successful PPC advertising, digital marketing. We're talking about why the company use CRO and talking about web analytics. We're talking about the tools, how to review web metrics. Also we're talking about social media marketing. We're talking about Facebook marketing, how to set your goals, how to make your research, the Facebook experience, then how to study your progress. That's what we'll be learning about. Also, under Twitter marketing, what are the points for you to know about brands on Twitter? What are the relevant hashtags? How do you generate relevant hashtags? How to keep tweets on streams? What are the things you need to do to keep your tweets on stream? Same thing pertaining to Instagram marketing as well. What are the relevant hashtags that you need to know? How to use Instagram to promote your business. These and many more are what you'll be learning. We have LinkedIn marketing as well. How to create dynamic company page for your brand. How to become authority in your industry. Then how to engage in the community. Then what are the LinkedIn stats? Talking about Google, we're talking about common video teams, optimizing your video, the Google AdWords and the Google Analytics. So, for you to be part of this training, if you are not already in the ongoing training, you can send an email to us or you can visit our website or also call or WhatsApp any of the contact line you have on the screen. Thank you. My name is Felix once again. I'm from Comfort Developers and IT Solution.